My name is John McQuade. I'm a litigating attorney at the law offices of Mark Salomone. I'd like to talk about an auto accident, tractor-trailer truck accident I handled a few years ago. My client was a backseat passenger in a car that came around a sharp curve and plowed into the rear of a tractor-trailer truck. Initially, we thought the only viable defendant in the case was the driver of the vehicle my client was a passenger in. However, as we uncovered more and more information, we learned that not only was the tractor-trailer truck and driver responsible, but also the lumber company nearby. My client suffered severe injuries to his face, neck, and arms as a result of the accident and had huge medical bills and lost wages. We felt that we needed to pursue additional claims in order to get him full recovery. And through discovery, we learned that this tractor-trailer truck had been parked in this location at the express direction of the lumberyard nearby, and as a result had parked the vehicle in a way that was hazardous to the passing cars. We also learned that because of the time of day, the sunlight at that time of day was particularly bright and almost shielded the truck from vision of the oncoming traffic. We hired an accident reconstructionist. He went out to the scene with his team. They reenacted the accident by, we had a tractor-trailer almost identical to the one involved, and they found that as they came around the corner at that precise moment, 1 year to the day later, the sun was so bright that they couldn't see the truck ahead. They were able to videotape that, and that was powerful evidence that helped us to establish liability. As a result, we were able to obtain a substantial settlement for our client, and as an interesting byproduct, the lumberyard changed its policy and no longer allowed trucks to park outside, but invited them into the yard when they were waiting to unload.